So on our way, let's pick up Mandy right now. Is he? So. Sure. So on our way to pick up Mandy right now. So we're gonna win this somewhere. Something foreshadowing.
Sheena Lynn Hansen, come on, make some noise.
Anyways, you see me? Big man thing with they out.
Very subtle. Very subtle. Very subtle.
Any sense to the people?
Hello.
That's all I have to say.
Right now, yeah, we're making our way to Sterling. It's gonna be an interesting event. We're gonna see what people define as African elegance. That is what I want to understand.
Yeah, because
What do you define as African elegance? That is what
Have mercy upon us.
I want to understand, because that's a dress code that they gave us.
yeah, I'm gonna try my best.
So we're gonna see what exactly they mean by that.
So yeah, we're gonna try our best. We're gonna cross the train line, you know. I'm not seeing a train pass it. But we're gonna take my time.
Anything to say, Israel?
Hello, my name is Israel.
Oh my goodness.
My name is Israel.
Just just take it out of this.
Yeah.
Israel is our African brethren from the Yoruban tribe.
What?
The Yoruba tribe.
Yoruba.
Whatever it's called. So my name is Ibo Kasando Osas.
No.
You boys are another tribe.
I know. That's the point.
Let's try that again.
That's the point.
Let's try that again. You want to be Chinedu? You want to be
No, man, not call me Chinedu, brother.
That's an African name.
No,
But okay.
my name is Alfonso.
No.
My name is Alfonso Break and Clutch.
That's not an African
No,
name.
it's not.
Alfonso is African name. What do you mean?
No, it's not.
No. Alfonso is Jason. Which African man named
Honestly, you
Jason?
could draw for any Bible name. They love to give their children Bible names.
Pass. My name is Blessing.
Yeah.
My name is Blessing Honda Civic R. That is my name.
Alright, guys. Welcome to the Candice Cam.
Bro, what is this man doing?
Brandon is obviously not pleased with the driving of the Jamaican public,
Brother, I'm never pleased with them.
which I think is a general consensus, honestly.
Which way?
Because as far as he's concerned, everybody.
Which way you turn the phone screen? Please don't tell me it's not going to turn the phone screen.
No.
Landscape.
What? Who videos in portrait? Sorry to the portrait videos. But who videos in portrait?
I just want to make sure when it's editing time, it looks. That's right.
We're on our way to Windy Sterling.
Yeah, stop like now, so we got to reach man, you know. Mandy's in the land down under. And find some crocodile around Mandy side, you know.
I really do hope no one takes it offensive.
But the land down under. We're going to Portmore. The event is over at Portmore. Don't mind me, I can't make it.
Emmanuel Apostolic. The place name Emmanuel Apostolic.
Yeah,
Apostolic. So I got my hair done, you know, again, because I have to do it for the culture. Can't make me look too crazy on the road. You know, can't make no one be here and I say me look like I see, you see me?
No.
So.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
At least I don't let them see me and droop out my eye.
Listen, them see you pat your head. At this point, it's fine.
Alright, so pick up money now. I don't think I need to highway. Because we're not far from the place either. So I think we're pretty early. Oh, by the way, I think we will also have reserved parking because we're good like that.
Yeah, we got some cars.
Yeah, we have reserved parking, we're good like that. The Lord saw and He provided. So, nothing else really to say, nothing else to talk about. Thank you guys. So, subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, getting the videos out there on a daily basis. Yo. We're glad to have you guys in this great space. We are sort of your hosts. You know, we are making our way to where we need to be. I think I said that maybe 4 times now. There's an old lady on the road. That's great. Shows where I live, I take care of the elderly. No,
Excuse me? Because they exit?
Somebody please.
That might be a lie.
Somebody please.
So, Joel said the shuttle was late. So, but I don't know how that'll go. But I guess we'll get there. Originally, we would always get there before him still. So, I do not regret any of my life choices up to this point. If it's Kia, we'll just drive over me, sure. Alright. So, I was thinking of getting this car, you know. But then, I think I don't really love Kias like that. Yeah. Yeah, man, them So we're picking up Monday right now, so you realize you're whole far for sure. Not all roads in Jamaica were fixed. Understand the place. So.
Why?
Jesus. Alright, hey guys, welcome to the Candice Cam. The back seats. Auntie Mandy is here. Giving very much open heaven.
Here.
We are almost there, or so they say. Gonna spin you around real quick. So yeah, you can see we're in Portmore. Sorry to that man and his vehicle that needs to be towed. Whoa, uncle in the car? Okay, so we're approaching a stoplight and we're gonna be turning left. But yeah, we're here in Portmore. You see Brandon over there, so looking very much like a black LA Lewis. Khadijah is here as well. Y'all might not know Khadijah, but Khadijah is here. But yeah, man, we're around here and we are excited to go. We're not turning left. Oh, this is left. Oops.
Oh, wow. I look at camera, make sure to get our directions in a minute, I tell you.
Whoops. But yeah, we're turning into Portmore. Portmore is a very busy place, you know.
Yeah, there's a lot of traffic right now.
Yeah, it's a busy place. But we're excited. I just, hope it's a cool environment.
Hope there's some AC.
Yeah, just hope it's a nice, cool environment.
I think is we need to get proper seats though.
Yeah, we need to get some good seats away from speakers, please. I don't want nobody bust out my eardrum tonight. Away from the speakers. I don't really need it too close to the stage. Just a little bit, but not too close to the stage.
I don't want them beside the screamers too.
Yeah, we don't know who's going to be a screamer, Brandon.
Yeah, that's very true.
They don't have I like to shout marked on their foreheads.
Exactly.
I don't know, but sometimes when and welcoming, blah blah blah.
Okay, do you want people to behave that way over you?
Really?
Okay.
But yeah,
It happens.
when we're out the car, we're gonna show you guys our OOTNs, or outfits of the night. Yeah, because as you can see, from those who would have picked it up by now, Mandy's in red, I'm in mostly white, Brandon is in black. If you know, you know already without me having to tell you. Love or Sherlocks out there with their deductive reasoning. I would already know what that means, but we're gonna show you our OOTNs when we're out of the car. So we'll see you guys next when we're at the venue. All right.
This one is a bit loose. Now then you can move on to.
Or put it further down. You want to
No, it's really wide.
Like I'm gonna put this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you can put that red as well.
You want one to put in a middle type of
My like suppose you talk.
No, but I think they're doing some help. I can't here right now. But my staff, you see me, so I'm gonna support the C part.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
I'm bad man code, you see me?
Huh? You see the one at the feet?
It's the feet.
Boss.
So we look. So
This not work with here? Alright. This not work with that all.
There's not one solid ground right here, sir.
Monday, we'll get to the gravel soon. This is grass, so we'll get to the gravel soon. It'll be more solid by then.
The grass is lava. The floor is lava.
Yes.
Hey guys, so we're here. We've made it to the venue. Gonna give you the OOTNs. I'm gonna make Papa Brandon fix up himself first. Let me know when you're ready, Brandon. But we're here at Emmanuel
Apostolic Church.
Whoa.
Apostolic.
I was about to do the apostolistic. Apostolic Church. Alright, step back, Brandon. Ready for the OOTN? Alright, so this is Brandon over here, so.
Slow motion.
Alright, it's not TSA.
You're looking like you're
looking very.
Okay,
Alright, so that's Brandon's OOTN. Of course, you know, he is the Black Ranger tonight.
Oh, we're Rangers?
Yeah, he's the Black Ranger tonight. Alright, ready, Mandy? Alright, very open heaven. Alright, she's in her red ensemble. Alright, with her little tie in. The shoes, hold on. Shoes with the bangle. Everything after access her eyes.
Magic conch shell? You mean like this?
Bag, alright. Earrings, cute. Tie head, of course. Everything real cute. Alrighty.
Candice. Alright, yes, so we have Candice here. It's giving luxury, it's giving perfection. Yes.
My favorite part are the nails.
Let's go in.
Favorite part of the nails.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're here.
Yeah. Get them a spin with the long dress. Yes, sir.
Ranger.
And then
We'll see when we're
On the
either inside or on the red carpet. Alright. Bye guys. Alright guys. We got our handbands. Yeah. We got our handbands. You see what they say? VIP. VIP. Everybody's in. Very nice. We're here at the red carpet station, waiting to go on the red carpet. Hold on. So over there is red carpet station that we're waiting to go up to. Everybody's out here in their African best, African elegance. We're gonna see what happens.
Jesus and Lazarus come out and the grave.
out.